this video I'm going to replace the brake pad on the 2007 Audi Q7. So if you see this light right here, that's the light for your brake sensors. It means one of your brake pads sensors is bad and you need to replace your brake pads. Follow all the normal procedures to taking off the tire. After you remove the wheel, you gotta remove this pin right here because we're gonna get this pin out. So after some trouble, I got this pin out. So here you got the sensor. You want to put a little screwdriver and try to get it out. Then you want to take a screwdriver and compress these out. That one and those. And you should be able to pull them out just like that. So you gotta buy the brake pads and the sensor separate and install it in a similar condition. So you take this and you just slide it right like that. There you go. Push it all the way in. That. That's it. Just put the wheel back on and you're done. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to support this channel, use my affiliate links in the description below. I appreciate all your support. Thank you.